Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing files and tools. Get the exact stock recovery image for your model and verify its checksum. Enable developer options and USB debugging on the phone and install ADB and Fastboot on your PC. Once done, connect the device and test ADB with a DB devices to confirm communication. Make sure battery is above 50% because interruptions can brick the device. Now reboot the phone into bootloader or fastboot mode so you're ready to flash the stock recovery. You will now replace Teamwin by flashing the stock recovery. Reboot into bootloader with a DB reboot bootloader or use the device key combo. Once in fastboot, run fastboot flash recovery. To write the stock image. If your vendor requires Odin, use that tool and the full firmware package. After flashing, use fastboot reboot or power cycle the device and boot directly into recovery to ensure Teamwin is gone and the stock recovery loads. If the device automatically reinstalls Teamwin, relock or flash, finish by rebooting the phone into the system and confirming you no longer see Teamwin and that OTA updates appear when applicable. If Teamwin returns after reboot, it may be injected by a vendor script. Flash the full stock firmware package or relock the bootloader to stop that. If the device enters a boot loop, immediately boot back to bootloader and reflash stock firmware or restore your Nandroid backup. One key troubleshooting tip: capture fastboot or recovery logs and compare error messages before retrying any different flashing method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.